Alright, so I'm out in the old paint trailer, and I was just thinking about wood stain, and I've done a bit of it, but I'm not doing much of it anymore because it's just, you go out to do an estimate now, and you tell somebody how much to stain wood, and they just go, "What? How much?" And they get some guy brushes stain on and leaves it, and it looks like crap, and they're like, "Wow, what a wood god." But anyway, you guys really want to do really nice, amazing looking dark stain. This is dye. Okay? So, no, it is not stain. Stain and dye are two different things. They don't mix in the same stuff. Okay? And where you get this at is Rockler Wood Supply. Is probably one of the only places I know of now that still sells it. So the reason I'm making this video, we're not going to do any demo in it right now, but please like and subscribe. We need subscribers on this channel to stay monetized, to stay within YouTube guidelines. So hit the button, please. And you're going to see some stuff on this. I get called in a lot on jobs to come help out and consult to get, something figured out. And one of my buddies was doing a job, and he was staining some, I think it was cherry wood, and he was trying to get that really, really dark cherry, but he didn't want to really, really dark, but you wanted to see the grain. So that's a really tough thing to do. So what guys do a lot of times is they'll just brush stain on and leave it, and then you got kind of a, or they use a shading material over it, and it just doesn't really look like really deep, grained wood. You're looking at it, you see kind of a semi-transparent surface over the wood, and it just doesn't seem to show the grain really nice. If you see that kind of wood and you don't really like it, but you want to get the dark look, this is the way you do it. You take some of this stuff, and this stuff reduces with alcohol. Okay, it does not reduce with paint thinner. Okay, so all you do is you put like maybe a teaspoon in a quart. I mean, maybe even that. You might even put less than that. Teaspoon in a gallon, maybe. Okay, just try the less first and work your way up slow. And then you spray this over your wood when it's raw. In fact, there's other tricks you can do with this stuff. We'll have to get into those on another video. You can actually take and go right over lacquer with this product and turn it dark. Amazing. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with this. Okay, but you be really careful. Make sure you don't get this on anything, because man, it is super potent. You'll never get it off of stuff. Cover everything really, really good. You put this on the wood, and then you after that, then what you do is you use your oil stain. So after you get done with your wood, I'll go to I don't know, have any in this one, maybe in this cupboard. Hang on. I'll go to you can even use a gel stain, so get really, really heavy on there if you want. It kind of you can kind of leave that a little bit, the gel stain. Don't usually do acetone stain over it. Use an oil stain. But I'll use right here, like let's say wanted to go dark walnut, and you want that look with the kind of a more of a less red look to it. But if you want that red look, then you use something like red mahogany over it and wipe it. So you put it on, so you layer it on. You take this dark walnut right here in the alcohol. You layer it on till the wood's kind of semi-dark. You might want to do a sample on something. Get it semi-dark with this, with the spray, put a few coats on, and then it soaks right into the wood because it's 90% alcohol, and 99% alcohol and 1% this stuff or less. And then what you do is you put and that gets your wood already dark, and then you take your, say, dark mahogany Minwax, and then go ahead and wiping stain it. Go ahead and brush it, and then wipe everything really tight clean. Put your lacquer over that. you'll come up with a really, 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 really dark red or dark stain. You can even get this here in a bright red too, if you really want to get it really dark red, that real dark, purpley red color. And then you go ahead and put your lacquer over that, and all of a sudden the grain will have such 3D that you won't be able to, it'll be like nothing you've ever seen. Any of these Chinese wood cabinets and stuff like that, they don't even look close to this stuff. It looks absolutely amazing. Give it a shot. These are about 20 bucks. It's a little expensive, but it goes a long ways, so it's not a real big deal. Just an idea for you guys trying to do wood stain. Keep the channel, definitely subscribe. Maybe I'll get over there and get those cabinets that he did, get a final video on those to show you what they look like, because if you've seen some of the other videos on stain, there's some pretty awful stain guys out there, and nobody really knows how to do this stuff hardly. There's very few tradesmen left. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.